Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the Microsoft Printer PDF is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type Windows Features. Windows, turn off Windows Features on or off. Open it. Scroll down guys, you want to find Microsoft Printer PDF. Microsoft Printer PDF, you want to check box here. Want to check it like this and click OK. And for make changes you want to go and restart your PC guys. I'm going just like go and restart your PC. After restarting your PC guys, go ahead and search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. Now check my video description command guys. I given in top command used. Copy the first command, copy it, and want to tap the bar, right click, eject, paste it, press enter. Printer spooler service is stopped successfully. Copy the next command guys, copy, tap the bar, right click, eject, paste it. The next command successfully added guys. After this, copy the third command, copy, tap the bar, right click, eject, wait for it guys. This command is running. You need to get 100% over here. After operation completed successfully, tap the bar, right click, eject, paste it, paste the third command and wait for this 100%. Operation completed successfully. Want to copy the fourth command guys, copy, tap the bar, right click, eject, paste it, press enter. Printer spooler service is started successfully. Close out of here guys. You should good to go guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.